The sizzling sounds of the kitchen, a recipe for success in the heart of the kitchen. Elisa and Paul stood ready to assist, their enthusiasm palpable as they prepared to cook up a storm. The aroma of sizzling pans and the soft hum of conversation filled the air as they embarked on a culinary adventure. Today's mission, to craft the perfect crepes, a delicate dance of batter and heat that required precision, patience, and a dash of creativity. As Elisa expertly mixed the ingredients, Paul's eyes gleamed with anticipation. "Have you ever made crepes before?" he asked, his voice laced with excitement. Elisa nodded, her dark hair bobbing up and down. "Yes, I have. And am ready to help you master the art of cooking them to perfection." With a nod, Paul slid the pan onto the stovetop, the sizzling sounds of the hot metal echoing through the kitchen. The mixture began to bubble and foam, releasing a savory aroma that tantalized the taste buds. As the crepes cooked, Elisa and Paul worked in tandem, their movements a well-choreographed dance of flip and fold. But the real challenge lay ahead, the art of sautéing. This was the moment when the crepes would transform from mere batter to delicate, golden brown masterpieces. With a deft flick of the wrist, Paul expertly flipped the crepes, his eyes never leaving the pan as they cooked to a perfect golden brown. As the crepes cooled, the trio turned their attention to the caramel, a sweet and sticky substance that would add a rich, velvety texture to the ice cream. In a large, heavy-bottomed pot, Elisa and Paul combined water and sugar, the mixture bubbling and frothing as it came to a boil. The caramel, a deep amber hue, filled the kitchen with its sweet, buttery aroma. As it cooled, the trio stirred in heavy cream, the mixture thickening and smoothing until it reached the perfect consistency. And so, the ice cream was born, a creamy, dreamy concoction that would delight the senses. As the trio sampled the sweet treat, their eyes widened in unison, the flavors melding together in a delightful harmony of sweet and savory. In the world of cooking, there's no greater joy than sharing the fruits of one's labor with others. And so, Elisa, Paul, and Reuben stood together, their faces aglow with the warmth and camaraderie that only comes from cooking up a storm in the kitchen.